Hello, welcome to the 67Stang channel. So for those that are new to the channel, really the main focus of this channel is going to be the journey of my attempt to restore this 67 Mustang that my parents bought brand new in March of 1967. Now I've already started the process. The car actually sat in my dad's garage for 22 years without going anywhere. So we already have many videos talking about the first starts and getting it going and driving it. And now that it's back at my house, I've been doing a lot of things like rebuilding the front end and rewiring the car and doing other things to really try to bring it back to its glory. Along the way, I've also thrown in a few videos about tools I'm using, skills I'm learning, and all kinds of things like that. So if you really like to learn more about restoring an old car, the process to go through, please subscribe to the channel. Now, keep in mind, I'm a complete novice. I am a computer guy by trade, so I'm learning a lot of things along the way that I'm hoping to share with y'all. So again, if that's of interest, again, subscribe to the channel. If there's anything else you'd like to see, about old cars, tools, and whatnot, feel free to leave comments, suggestions, and whatnot. We'd love to see those. I might throw in a video about my saltwater fish tank that I've got. Maybe about building computers, because I do that a good bit. Anything like that as well that you'd like to see, I might throw in there. But really the focus is going to be on this car. So with that, I hope you enjoy the channel. Hope you like the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.